For civil service examination, Philippines Constitution, general information, and current events. Number 1. What are the three main branches of the government of the Philippines? A. Senate, Supreme Court, and Congress. B. Presidential, unicameral parliamentary, and bicameral parliamentary. C. Legislative, executive, and judicial. D. The legislature, the Senate, and the Supreme Court. Answer. Letter C. Legislative, executive, and judicial. Number 2. The Supreme Court shall be composed of a Chief Justice and how many Associate Justices? A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. D. 15. Answer. Letter C. 14. Number 3. The executive power shall be vested in the A. President of the Philippines. B. House of the Representatives. C. The Supreme Court. D. The Congress. Answer. Letter A. President of the Philippines. Number 4. The legislative power shall be vested in the which shall consist of a Senate and a House of Representatives. A. Congress of the Philippines. B. House of the Ombudsman. C. The Supreme Court. D. Bureau of Internal Revenue. Answer. Letter A. Congress of the Philippines. Number 5. The Senate shall be composed of how many senators, elected at large by voters of the Philippines? A. 21. B. 22. C. 23. D. 24. Answer. Letter D. 24. Number 6. How long shall the term of office of the senators be commenced? A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 5 years. D. 6 years. Answer. Letter D. 6 years. Number 7. The term of office of the President and Vice President of the Philippines shall be up to how many years? A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 5 years. D. 6 years. Answer. Letter D. 6 years. Number 8. The members of the House of the Representatives shall be elected for a term of A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 5 years. D. 6 years. Answer. Letter A. 3 years. Number 9. The Congress, by a vote of both houses in joint session assembled, voting separately, shall have the sole power to declare a state of war. A. 2/3. B. 1/2. C. 3/4. D. Minority. Answer. Letter A. 2/3. Number 10. It states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty or property without due process of law, nor any person denied the equal protection of the laws. A. Article 4. B. Bill of Rights. C. Republic Act. D. Court Order. Answer. Letter B. Bill of Rights.